Hi students, now we are going to discuss about second chapter in the chemistry, that is acid, bases and salts. So here, while explaining all the points, some main points are going to be displayed here. First you pay the attention, try to understand, and then copy all those points in the classwork. Okay? So don't miss any point. If any figure is there, if you are interested, lot of free time is there, no? You can draw the figure in the classwork. Only the apparatus figure. Okay, na? Now come to the topic. The first topic of this chapter is indicators. So we use these indicators just to determine the nature of the substance. The main theme of this chapter is acid, bases and salts. So without tasting, how can we determine the nature of the substances or chemicals whichever we use in the laboratory? For that we use indicator. So here, what is an indicator? An indicator is a dye that changes color with the acids and bases. This is the definition of indicators. An indicator is a dye that changes color with the acids and bases. Okay, again to the availability of these indicators, all the indicators are classified in three ways. The first one is natural indicators. Example, litmus and turmeric. You have the idea of these two. Next, synthetic indicators. These are the indicators made by man. They are methyl orange and phenolphthalein. The third one, olfactory indicators. These are the indicators which are used to determine the nature of these substances by change in their smell. So, example, vanilla, onion and clove. So, these are the three types of indicators. Once again, all of you repeat please. Natural indicators, synthetic indicators and olfactory indicators. And the next topic. So how these indicators react and show the changes with the acids or bases. See here. In the top column, all the four different indicators, whatever we use in the laboratory are given. Suppose the given substance is acidic in nature. When it is tested with a blue litmus paper, the litmus paper changes to red color. Okay, if it is tested with the red litmus paper, no change. The color of the litmus paper remains same. And if the given substance is added to the phenolphthalein solution, the solution becomes colorless. The sample is added to the methyl orange indicator, it changes to red color. Following these changes, we can conclude or confirm the nature of the substance is acid. And next, if the given sample is the base, when it is tested with the blue litmus paper, no change in its color. Suppose it tested with the red litmus paper, color of the paper changes to blue. And phenolphthalein solution, the solution changes into pink color. Methyl orange solution tested with the given sample, it changes to yellow color. Following all these changes, we can determine its nature as base. So like that, we use these indicators in the laboratory to determine the nature of given samples. Now, the next one, the main topic of this chapter is acid and bases. In the lower class, you learn once again, we are going to recall the differences between acids and bases. See, if you see the properties of acids, acid has sour taste. And the second point, it turns blue litmus paper to red. Third one, all the acid solutions conduct current, means they are good electrolytes. Next, if you see the acids, all the acids concentration won't be same. Following the concentration of the acid, they are classified in two ways. If the concentration is very high, those are called strong acids. All mineral acids are example for strong acids. That is hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. Next, example for low concentric acids, that is weak acid. CH3COOH, acetic acid, it is organic acid. All the organic acids are example for weak acids. Okay, these are the properties of acids. Now, how the base differ with this? Base, it has bitter taste. It opposite to the acid. It turns red litmus to blue. Like acid, bases are also good electrolytes. Means they conduct the electric current through them. And sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide are the example for strong base. And ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH, is an example for weak base. These are the differences between acids and bases. Sometimes they'll ask this question for 1 mark or 2 mark. Okay? Remember all these, copy these points in the class book and learn.